A handstand is not a silly show-off move. It is a simple test that checks your whole body at once. When you kick up against a wall or balance free, every part must work together. If something is weak or tight, you fall. This makes the handstand a full body report card. Anyone can start with easy steps and build up. Let's see why it is worth the effort. 1. It bulletproofs every joint. Your shoulders carry your weight upside down. They must stay strong yet open. Most people sit all day, so shoulders round forward and get stiff. Handstand practice opens the chest and teaches the shoulder blades to glide. This fixes bad posture and stops pain. Elbows stay straight but not locked. This builds safe strength. Wrists take the load too. At first they hurt, but slow practice makes the small bones and ligaments tough. Feet point to the sky, so ankles stay flexible. Core muscles lock everything in place. Even toes grip like fingers. From neck to pinky toe, no joint hides. Weak spots show up fast, and you fix them before they become injuries. 2. It rewires your nervous system. Balance is not magic, it is brain talk. Your eyes, inner ears, and skin sensors send messages every second. The brain answers with tiny muscle tweaks. A beginner wobbles because the messages are slow. 10 minutes a day speeds them up. Soon you feel the wall with your heels before you touch it. You know when your hips drift left without looking. This is proprioception. The body's GPS. Handstand drills make it razor sharp. Better proprioception means fewer trips, quicker sports moves, and surer steps on ice. Kids learn it naturally through play. Adults regain it through skills like handstands. 3. It keeps your brain young. New skills grow new brain wires. Scientists call this neuroplasticity. When you learn to hold a handstand for 1 breath, then 2, then 10, your brain builds fresh paths. Blood flows to motor areas. Memory and focus improve too. Old dogs can learn new tricks, and handstands prove it. A 70-year-old who starts with wall walks still grows brain cells. The challenge is perfect, hard enough to demand attention, easy enough to improve weekly. No expensive gym or gear, just a wall and patience. Safe progressions anyone can follow. Step 1. Pike push-ups on the floor. Put feet on the ground, hands wide, hips high. Lower your head toward the floor. This teaches shoulder strength without full weight. Step 2. Wall walk-ups. Face the wall. Walk feet up until your belly touches. Hold 10 seconds. Walk down. Repeat 5 times. This builds confidence upside down. Step 3. Kick up with belly to wall. Place hands 30 centimeters from the wall. Kick one leg up, let the other follow. Heels rest on the wall. Hold 20 seconds. Rest. Do 3 rounds. Step 4. Chest to wall hold. Kick up facing away from the wall. Chest touches, feet lightly rest. Stomach stays tight. This teaches straight line. Step 5. Free balance drills. Kick up near the wall but try not to touch. If you fall, the wall catches you. Count breaths in the middle. Step 6. Freestanding handstand. Same kick up, but now float away from the wall. Start with 1 second holds. Add time each week. Do these 3 to 5 times a week. Rest if wrists ache. Use a soft mat. 10 minutes is enough. Kids, seniors, desk workers, everyone starts at step 1. Daily life bonuses. Strong shoulders make carrying groceries easy. Tight core stops back pain. Sharp balance helps you dance or skate. Calm focus from practice lowers stress. You sleep better because the nervous system learns to switch off. Final checkup. Next time you feel stiff or foggy, try a 60-second wall handstand. Notice what shakes. That is your body talking. Fix the shake with the steps above. In 1 month, you will stand taller, move smoother, and think clearer. The handstand is not a party trick. It is free medicine for joints, nerves, and brain. Start today, your future self will balance on its hands and thank you.